Hi, my name's Kate and I work in R&D at Ulrick Shaw in ingredients. This is our new product, Complex Zero, and it's an alternative to meat. It's only made up of 4 crops, and today I'm going to talk through what those crops are. So this is our first crop, sweet lupin. It's an excellent protein source and has a complete amino acid profile. It's also great for crop rotation because it harnesses a lot of nitrogen, which means that it reduces the need for fertiliser. It can also be grown in cold climates, so we import this from Sweden, which means that it has less air miles. Sweet lupin provides sweet flavour and also gives texture and body to the Complex Zero product. Our next ingredient is the faba bean, also known as the broad bean or field bean. This can also be grown in harsher climates, so again we source this from Sweden. It's great for crop rotation because it also harnesses lots of nitrogen in the soil. It's a great source of protein and rich in the amino acid lysine, as well as being high in phenolic compounds and antioxidants. Its high fibre and protein content also provides structure and an umami flavour to the Complex Zero product. Our third ingredient is the grey pea. It was previously really popular to the Nordics, but was phased out to the more secure yellow and green pea. It's becoming increasingly popular again due to its mild flavour, and it provides nuttiness and bodiness to the product. The fourth crop is rapeseed. We use a rapeseed paste, which is upcycled from the residue of rapeseed pressing for oil. It provides a rich, buttery and nutty texture and also binds the legumes. All of these crops are sourced from Sweden, giving the product a low carbon footprint. The whole crop is used and processed naturally, retaining the nutritional value. Complex Zero offers a sustainable and healthy alternative to meat. If you'd like to find out more, please feel free to get in touch today.